Good morning children. Welcome back to our EVS class. Okay children. So all are watching the videos? Very good. Watch the videos carefully. Okay, write the homework and send to the class WhatsApp group. Okay children. Now I will test you which topic I had taught in the before video about cooking. No. Only about cooking? No. I explained about raw food and cooked food. No. And different kinds of utensils also explained. All are forgotten? No, don't forget it children, because you are the small children, you have more memory power now. So you just keep it in your mind. Okay, so again one day I specially mentioned in the previous video. Okay, so what is that? Yeah, 7th April. What is the speciality of that day children? We are celebrating. Okay, we are celebrating World Health Day on particular day. Okay, so that is about the previous class. Now we are going to the topic various methods of cooking children. So what is today's topic? Tell me once. So which lesson we are discussing? About the food story, no? Yeah, the food story. So what is the topic we are discussing today? About various methods of cooking. So what is today's topic? Various methods of cooking. Various methods of cooking. Okay, so what is that? Listen now. Let us learn about some basic methods of cooking. So for different food items we are following different methods children. For example, take the rice, fry the rice item. It is preparing the rice? No, it is wrong method. Then what method we are using? Yeah, boiling method. We can boil the rice, then we will get ready the rice. No, eating rice, no. Raw rice we are eating? No, fried rice we are eating. No, without water we are taking the frying pan and we can pour that rice in that. We are frying and eating such kind of rice? No. Why? Because for different methods are there. For example, okay, you take pulses. Okay, pulses you fry on that and we are eating directly? No. So different. For example, you take biscuits. Do you boil the biscuits? No. So different food items are having the different kinds of methods we are following children. So now what is that methods we are going to discuss? First one is boiling method. So how many methods of cooking methods are? 5 types children. First one is boiling method. B-O-I-L-I-N-G. B-O-I-L-I-N-G. Boiling. What is the second method? Frying. F-R-Y-I-N-G. Frying. Next, third method is steaming. S-T-E-A-M-I-N-G. Steaming. Next, fourth method is baking. Okay, again many methods there children, but in your textbook only given the 4 methods. Roasting is there, grilling is there. Okay, so those are the different types of methods, but in your textbook only given about the 4 methods of cooking. So first one is the boiling method, second one is the frying method, third one is the steaming method, fourth one is the baking method. Okay, once we will see the spellings of that methods. Okay, so listen carefully. First one is boiling. What is the spelling of boiling? B-O-I-L-I-N-G. Boiling. Second one is frying. F-R-Y-I-N-G. Frying. Third one is steaming. S-T-E-A-M-I-N-G. Steaming. Fourth one is baking. B-A-K-I-G. Baking. So these are the 4 methods of cooking children. Now we will discuss in detail. So first method of cooking is boiling. First method of cooking is boiling. What is the spelling of boiling? B-O-I-L-I-N-G. Boiling. Okay, so listen now. So first we will read the paragraph. Then we can increase our reading power. Okay? Shall we read? All are ready to read that along with me? Okay, listen, page number 21. So boiling. In this method, food is boiled and cooked. It is one of the most common methods of cooking. We can boil food items like vegetables, rice, pulses and eggs. Okay children. So what is the old way of cooking is boiling method only. Nowadays we are introduced many methods now, but olden days they are used only the method of boiling. That is it is the earlier method of cooking is nothing but the boiling method. Okay, so in this method, so what we do? We can take the food items, just we are adding little bit of water, okay, water to the particular food items and we can boil it. That is the simple way of cooking also boiling method. Okay, so what are the food items we can do by, we can cook by using this method. First one is vegetables. Vegetables are cooked by boiling method. Next one, especially rice. Okay. Next, pulses. Next method, eggs. Next food item, egg. Eggs are boiling. Okay. So these are the food items we are using the method of boiling. Cooking method of boiling is nothing but vegetables we can cook, we can boil, rice we can boil, pulses and eggs. Okay, so these are the 4 food items we are cooking by using the boiling method. Okay, so once again listen, it is the easy way of cooking, easy method of cooking. Second one is the oldest method of cooking. Next, easy way of cooking. And listen, so what are the food items we are using to cook the boiling method? Vegetables, rice, pulses and eggs. Okay, next coming to the second method of cooking is frying. Second method of cooking is frying. Frying method. Okay, listen now. So before explaining what we do children, we are going to read that particular paragraph of which topic? Frying. Okay, listen now. Frying. To fry food. Page number 22 children. To fry food, we put it in very hot oil and it gets cooked. We generally use a kadai or a frying pan for it. Frying is of 2 types, shallow frying and deep frying. In shallow frying, the food is cooked using a small amount of oil. Next, in deep frying, the food is cooked in a lot of oil. Okay, now listen. Okay, so frying. So, before topic I explained about the different types of utensils, no children. In that I mentioned a particular utensil. What is that? Kadai. Okay. And I mentioned about the frying pan also. Do you remember? Yeah, very good children. Okay. So these 2 utensils I mentioned in the previous video. Okay. So, what purpose these items are useful? These utensils are useful to fry. To fry the food items purpose we are using the kadai and then frying pan. Okay. Then how we can fry the items? By using water? No, wrong. What we use? Yeah, very good. We are using the oil to fry the food items. Okay children. So in the boiling process, we are using mainly water only, no. We are just taking the food items, adding water to that. But here we are using the oil. Okay. So to fry the things purpose, we are using the utensils like kadai and frying pan. Okay. So for frying purpose, we are using the hot oil. Okay. So whatever you are preparing, that food item we are mixing and just we are thrown into the hot oil. We can dip that into the hot oil. Okay. So next listen. This frying also two methods are there. In frying also two methods are there, children. So what is that now? First one is shallow frying. Shallow frying. And the second one is deep frying. Okay. Shallow frying and deep frying. Okay, children. And shallow frying, one more name is there. What is that now? Pan frying. Pan. The shallow frying is also called pan frying. Okay. So pan frying, where do you use? Frying pan. Okay. So the shallow frying is also called pan frying. Then what are the food items we are preparing in the shallow frying? Some items are there, children. So what are the now? Potato chips. Okay. Next onion rings, donuts, next French fries. So these are by using the shallow frying. Okay. So that are the food items we can prepare by using the shallow frying. Okay. So what is the difference between the shallow frying and deep frying now, children? Two differences are there. One is shallow frying is done in frying pan. Deep frying is done in the kadai. Okay. And here for shallow frying purpose we are using the little bit of oil. Okay. But deep frying purpose we are using the more oil. Okay. So puris, next pakoras, vadas, okay, fish fries. So we are using deep frying. Okay, deep frying purpose these food items we can prepare by using the method deep frying. Okay, so compared to the shallow frying and deep frying, so shallow frying is somewhat good for health, children, but deep frying is not at all good. Excess of oil we are using in deep frying. Okay, so more amount of oil absorbed by these food items and we are eating it. It is not good for health. Eating of excess of oil is not good for health, children. Better to avoid the frying items. If you are interested to eat the fry items, then you can go for shallow frying instead of deep frying. Okay, children. So that is my suggestion. Better to follow it. If some health tips, if you follow it, you are very fit and healthy, children. If you eat more oil items, so it contains fat. Okay, you may get fat. Okay, it is not good for something, slim and trim is good, no. So if you are very fat, doing some work also you are feeling somewhat nervous, you are not very active. So that is better to avoid the frying items. Okay, if you are interested to it, go for shallow frying. Okay, so that is about the frying method, children. Next, third method. What is the third method? Yeah, third method is steaming method. STEAMING, steaming. Okay, steaming method. Before going to that, come on, we will read the paragraph of steaming. Listen now. At times, food is cooked with the help of steam in a pressure cooker. This process is called steaming. Idlis and momos are generally cooked by this method. This method of cooking is healthier because not many nutrients are lost in this process. Okay, come on, we will discuss now about steaming. In steaming method, already I explained in the previous video, we used the pressure cooker. Okay, children. And compared to all the cooking method, the steaming method is very good for health. So, what we are preparing by using the steaming method? Idlis. Okay, so we are preparing the idlis by using this idlis and momos. We are preparing the momos. Okay, so momos we are preparing in this method. Okay, so listen. So, how we can prepare the idlis? Once ask your mother. Okay, she is preparing that dough in the before when, for example, when you prepare the breakfast tomorrow, so mother is preparing the dough in the night. Okay, then she will put the dough aside. Okay, put the dough in the aside of that, and it should be fermented. Okay, then in the morning she use that dough and then she can prepare the idlis. Idli cookers are there nowadays. Okay, we have the idli cooker and we can put in that idli plates, and first before put that plates in that vessel, she will use the water. Okay, she pour some water in that and she will put the idli plates in that. Okay, and she is covering that. Okay, and next what happened? So when we are giving the flame, to that, automatically the water gets boiled. Okay, so when the water is heated, water vapors are comes out. So by using that water vapor, these idlis are boiled. Same momos also, nowadays it is the fashion food. Okay, why? Because no, in momos they are using the many kinds of vegetables. Veg momos are there. Okay, flour they are just preparing like puris, and they are adding, they can put the stuff, vegetable stuff in that, and they are using steaming method for cooking purpose. Okay, so idlis, momos, they are used. Okay, preparing purpose they are using the steaming method. So compared to the old methods, this method is very easy, children. Okay, very easy and very healthy. Okay, next we will go to the fourth method of cooking. Last method of cooking is nothing but baking. Baking method. Okay, once we see the paragraph of baking. Okay, listen now. In this method, food is cooked in a hot oven. This is how we make food items like different types of bread, cakes and cookies. Okay, so baking method. So nowadays children, most of the houses kitchen they are having the microwave oven. Okay, so for baking bread purpose, preparation of cakes purpose, preparation of chocolates, cookies purpose, they are following this method, especially cakes. Okay, now also our mother is without microwave, she will prepare the cake by using, then she can keep the very big vessel on the stove and adding some salt or sand to that, we can prepare the oven. In our without oven also we can bake that. How? By taking this process. Okay, so by using this process we can prepare the bread cakes in our home. Okay, naturally. Okay, with hygiene conditions. Better to don't go for the, now situation is very bad, children. Okay, how they are preparing? Okay, they are following the safety measures. Okay, precautions, we don't know it. Okay, children, you are the small children, your immunity power somewhat compared to the elders somewhat less. So that is why don't prefer the outside food items, children. Okay, so whatever you want you can prepare in your house. Okay, if you prepare, ask your mother, she will prepare everything and she is giving to you. Okay, so avoid the outside food items. Okay, so that is about how we can prepare the bake for what are the methods what are the food items we are cooking in this by using this baking method. So we are using the baking method, food items like chocolates, bread and cakes. So remember that. So these are the 4 methods of cooking. So once for clear understanding purpose, I will give some food items, then you can say. Okay, so rice, okay, potatoes, pulses, next cakes, idlis. Okay, so next what we prepare, bread, pakoras. Okay, chips, Okay, next. So, for clear understanding purpose, I given some food items here, children. Okay, now you say rice. For boiling rice purpose, you are using, okay, for boiling of rice purpose, sorry, for cooking of rice purpose, we are using the which method of cooking? So, tell me now, rice, which method you are using? Yeah, boiling method. Okay, boiling. So, how many methods are there? You know? 4, no? First one is the boiling method. Second one is the frying method. Third one is the steaming method. Fourth one is the baking method. Okay, children? Now, by using these 4 methods, we are just cooking these items. Now, you tell me. Potatoes. Okay, potatoes, which method here? Potatoes are boiling, no? Okay. Then we are using for frying, potato fry also. But which one is the very healthy method? Yeah, boiling. Potatoes are boiling. Next, pulses. Yeah, pulses also boiling method. Cakes. How you prepare the cake? By using which method, children? Yeah, for baking. Baking method. Next, for idlis, which method you are following? Yeah, very good. Steaming method. Next, for bread. Bread, we are following the method of baking bread. Next, pakoras, how you prepare? Yeah, very good. Frying. Next, chips. Chips also we can fry. Okay. So, for clear understanding purpose, I given this activity, children. Okay. So, this is about the methods of cooking. Okay. So, along with this video, I will send the homework to you. Then you can write the homework properly and send to the class WhatsApp group, children. Okay. Till that, bye. Take care of you.